During this brief session, we will take a look at the new Network Installation Manager available with Sage Peachtree 2012 Complete and Up. With Sage Peachtree 2012, we have listened to our customers and have created an entirely new, streamlined process that makes installing Peachtree over a network quick, easy, and less prone to user error. The Network Installation Manager is a new option available when installing Sage Peachtree 2012 over a network. It removes many of the workstation installation steps of previous versions of Peachtree and can help make installing Peachtree over a network a pain-free experience. We have even removed the need to use the CD to install Peachtree on workstations. After completing this topic, you will be able to use the Network Installation Manager to install Sage Peachtree 2012 on a network. Let's take a look at how the new Network Installation Manager works. As you install Sage Peachtree 2012 on your network server, you are now provided with an option on the summary screen to use the Network Installation Manager. Check this box and click Install. Peachtree will install on the server as normal. In the background, Peachtree will also make a copy of the installation files to a shared folder on the server. In addition to the installation files, Peachtree will also add a client installation file that will help automate each workstation installation. At the end of the installation, Peachtree will provide a text file that contains the location of the shared installation folder on the server, as well as instructions on how to use it to install Sage Peachtree 2012 on each workstation. With the installation files copied and shared on the network, the administrator will no longer need the installation CD, so it can be put away. Now all the administrator has to do is walk to each station, browse to the shared installation folder, and run the client installation file. Because the client installation file includes all of the information the workstation needs to install, the administrator will not need to walk through the wizard again. They will only need to verify the installation information on one screen and then click Install. And that's it. Peachtree will handle the rest. Peachtree will be installed or upgraded on the workstation based on the settings that were defined by the server installation. These settings include the location of the setup files, the location of the data path, and the location of the company data folder. The Network Installation Manager will even insert the serial number in for you, saving the hassle of typing it in on each workstation. And most importantly, there is no need to wait for the installation to complete before moving on to the next workstation. As soon as the client installation begins copying files, you can immediately continue to the next workstation and repeat the steps. You can have as many workstation installations running simultaneously as your network bandwidth will allow. Do note that you should use the Network Installation Manager on high-speed networks with 100 megabits or more of throughput. The Network Installation Manager option is not supported on wireless networks due to bandwidth requirements. However, if your network is slow or if you are more comfortable installing Peachtree using the CD, that's okay. You can still do so. So as you have seen, the Network Installation Manager is a great tool that can save your customers a lot of time and definitely helps them simplify the upgrade process on a network. You have successfully completed this Anytime Learning topic. You have learned how to use the Network Installation Manager to install Sage Peachtree 2012 on a network. Thank you for taking this Anytime Learning topic. For information on additional training options available, please visit us on the web at sageu.com.